Hello everyone, quick update for UK SME property developers and investors. The Planning and Infrastructure Bill is now moving through Parliament and has just passed its second reading. One big headline, a proposed national delegation scheme that could mean housing schemes for under 100 units get approved directly by planning officers, no need for a public committee decision as long as they're policy compliant. The government says this will cut red tape and speed up delivery, but it's controversial. MPs from all parties and the Local Government Association are warning that this could sideline local communities from the process. Labour MP Valerie Vaz has stressed the need for transparency and local input. So here's what you need to know. The bill hasn't passed yet. It's still in the committee stage. Even if delegation becomes law, community consultation is crucial. Ignoring local voices could damage your project and your brand. And beyond planning, SME property developers still face skill shortages and rising material costs. Over 40% report delays due to lack of skilled labour. The Public Bill Committee meets later this month. We'll be watching closely and I'll bring you a further update. Follow me for more updates and analysis, or if you've got thoughts or questions, please drop them in the comments below.